Hello everyone, welcome to the class. This is the orientation video for Introduction to Statistics WI course. Here's the outline which I cover through this video. First of all, the syllabus and the Blackboard, especially where to find the course information and where to create the single PDF file and how to submit my work through the Blackboard and how to complete the weekly materials. And third, how to complete the course with a higher grade, and then how to meet my professor. So first of all, we will cover the syllabus. To find the course syllabus, you need to log in the BMCC Blackboard. So this is the BMCC web page, and then click the login button and find your Blackboard, and you log in your CUNY first, then you can find your course here. So let me click our course and then let me introduce where our syllabus is located. So as you see, here's our course, and I click that and click the course information. Then you can find out how to create a single PDF document using the CamScanner app, and then for syllabus here. So you can click either Word document or PDF file. So this time I'm using the Word document. So this is our course syllabus here. So as you see, this is our course code, and I put my two different emails, and this is my phone number, but this is the virtual class. So this phone number, you cannot use it because I'm not in the office. Okay, so as you see, this is the OER course, which means this class provides all this class material, so you don't have to purchase anything. So those are topics we will cover. So that everything including Blackboard. So I'm gonna cover a little bit more detail when I introduce the Blackboard. Here, this is the most important part for the course syllabus review. So the student's requirement and information. So first of all, each student must participate in the class weekly and complete each week's course material. And when you submit the homework, exam, and final exam, you must include the work on how to find the answers. If not, then I can count it 0. Please remember that. Now, third, you are required to create a single document of the PDF file for your submission of homework, exam, and final exam. If the submission is more than one document, it means you basically attached maybe 2 PDF files or 3 different picture files. Even though I graded it, but I only grade your first document. Okay, so please make sure you submit it as a single document of PDF file. That will be easier for both of you and myself. Number 4, if you have any issues, then you can notify me. But please understand, even in this case, your homework will be valued on maximum 70%, and then exam case 80% only, which means 30% deduction point for homework and 20% deduction point for each exam, but not the final exam though, because the final exam is end of the semester, so there's no makeup. Now, number 5, when you write email me, please review and clarify what you want to say thoroughly, please. Okay, one example. If you just email me, hey professor, this is David, but I don't know which class you are taking. So when you write the email, please introduce yourself, including class number as well. For example, you are taking my statistics class, then you may include math 150-052W, and then my name is blah 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 like that. Okay, so please remember that. Now this is the course evaluation. So all the exams count 40%, and homework 15%, and your project, which I also explained thoroughly when I introduced the Blackboard, that's 15%, and discussion problem 10%, and final will be 20%, so become over 100%. Okay, so I'm gonna move on next part. So this time I will introduce how to utilize this Blackboard here. Okay, so if you open the log into your Blackboard and then get into the course, then you will see this window first here. Okay, I haven't attached any announcement yet, but this is the window you will see first. Now I focus on introducing course information and course material. Okay, I input the course information here. First of all, you can see two different videos. How to create a single PDF document using the CamScanner app, and how to use the CamScanner to submit your homework. So those two are basically same type, into the same type of CamScanner app, but you can choose whatever. Okay, and now I'm gonna go to course material. So this is a key folder you will utilize every week. Okay, so if I click week 1 here, then it shows that course guide. And then, so topic is overview statistic and reading BMCC OER textbook, and then lesson note 1 here. Okay, then I better introduce where you can find the textbook and then lesson note. So it is still under course material here. Click that and scroll down. Then you will see lesson note and ebook here. Okay. Of course, I also input Z table, T table, and recommended calculator. Okay, so please utilize it. We will utilize it during the class, so you need all this material, especially the calculator. If you click that and just save it, then you see what kind of calculator we better have it. So let me show you like that. So this is type of calculator you better have it because of the statistics class. You need to calculate a little bit more complicated function. So I really recommend you better have this kind of calculator. Okay, then now, so the lesson note include all this brief explanation of each lesson, the homework. So let me just open one file and explain to you. So between the Word document and PDF file, I open the PDF file. As you see, the lesson 1, it has a brief explanation, and then you will see practice problem. That is mostly your homework question. Okay, so hopefully this brief explanation enough for you to understand the material so that you can do homework question based on this explanation. Okay, so homeworks are all from here. Make sense? Okay, so what if not enough the written lesson notes to understand this course material? Then you can always open the ebook. This is the OpenStack textbook, so you can download it and open that. Then you can find this book and find right chapter. In this case, I'm gonna find out page 5 here. Then you can also get more detailed explanation through this book. So if you need, please take it as a reference. So now you know where the homework is located. So I keep on explaining weekly folder. So this is the lesson video. So you just click one video, then it explain like that. Of course, So watch all this video, then it may be enough to do homework here. And after that, this assignment, you open the lesson note and solve all this problem and upload here. Okay. So how to upload your homework? Then click this assignment folder. Then it will ask you where your homework is located, and just browse my computer and find any your homework document. Of course, it should be PDF file, which I'm gonna let you know later again. And then just open and submit. Then that's how you do it. And also, if you go to weekly folder again, not every week though, but we have a weekly discussion that you must do it. So this case, you can create a thread and just write your introduction. As you see, it includes where and what you have to complete in a weekly discussion, and just complete it and then submit. Then your thread will be posted on the Blackboard, and then I will create it later. Okay. Now, instead of explaining how to create a single PDF document, please watch these two videos. Okay, this video is to introduce how to upload or download actually the Camscanner app, and then just simply briefly explain how to do. And this video, I create one more video about that because many students ask me how to submit single PDF file to the Blackboard step by step. So I also create this video, so please watch it. Okay. So I will continue this video after this again. So please stay tuned. Okay.